Most of the time, you may have a video longer than 10 seconds, and Snapchat doesn't make it easy to save that directly to My Eyes Only. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Start by touching and holding the video from your camera roll. You'll notice there's no Hide option available. Instead, tap the Create button. Don't worry about naming the story, just tap Save Story. Next, go to the Home tab. You'll now see your video there. Tap and hold it, click on More option, and you'll finally see the Hide option appear. Tap on it. Just like that, boom, your video is safely hidden, and you can relax knowing it's secured. If you want to keep things organized, you can go to the Stories tab, press and hold the story you created, and delete it. This won't remove the video from My Eyes Only. Your hidden copy remains safe. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.